Good afternoon to everyone. Hi there, Aruna.
Hello, sir. Hi,
How are you doing?
I'm audible.
Yes. I think it's slightly low. Are you
Okay.
able to turn on your camera?
Yeah, I can't connect it, sir.
Okay, I think probably she requires permission. Let's see if
Yes.
we can transfer this to you. Donna, would you be able to help? All right. Aruna, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great then. Nice to have you here. And first of all, congratulations on your success on landing a position. So tell us about this company.
Mm. Good afternoon to everyone. I'm Aruna from Tamil Nadu. In 2022, I finished my master's degree in mathematics. After I enrolled in the CPS course of the DataMites, and now I have joined the Roombr as a AML intern. And a big thanks to Shali, Dona ma'am, and my relationship manager, Pradeep sir. They are very helpful to me. Uh, Now I am joined the Roombr as an intern.
Okay, so this is you just joined recently or you're about to start with them?
Yeah,
You already joined?
yeah. Sir. I'm already joined. I am 4 days ago.
Okay, wonderful. So, all right, we'll start off with your journey with data science, Aruna. So, I take it when did you pass out? When did you finish your studies?
I am 2022 passed out MSc Mathematics. After I entered, I joined the serious course in November 20
November
batch.
2022. Okay.
22 batch.
All right. Okay. So you finished sometime in the middle of last year.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. So, what was your background? Did you come from a computer science
mathematics.
or mathematics? So this is the BSc Maths.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. So you lean towards programming naturally.
Uh, I began this my job in this career. I did not know knowledge about the coding, but I knew to this field. But I knew that statistics, so it is easy to.
Right. Okay. Yeah, you had some idea of statistics. Okay. So
Yeah.
that is definitely it's one big chunk of your analytics and data science, isn't it? So
Yeah.
one of those foundational programs. Okay. So a bit of a head start. Um, how was your foray into programming then? What was it like for coding?
Um,
Did
I
you?
did not know coding background, but I learn Python. It is very easy to learn. I think it is very different persons, but I have a little bit easy for me.
All right. So picking it up was pretty straightforward. Okay, nice. All right. Okay. So did you practice a lot when you just started off with the coding?
Yeah, I started coding a month to learn basics. After I daily practice with coding to enhance my skills.
Okay, great. All right. And what was it like with the machine learning when you started off? I think even your position is it says ML engineer now, isn't it?
AI intern,
AI engineer. Okay, great.
Gen
Okay.
AI concept. It is totally different from ML, but
Okay.
I started to learn Gen.
You're just starting to learn, right? So somewhere, but the idea of what you are doing with the supervised learning is that stays, and I think you're just building on top of that. Gen AI is seeing a lot of
Hmm.
developments
Yeah.
of late, right? So we are, yeah, you could expect that. And so either way, so when you are looking at machine learning and artificial intelligence, so was this exciting when you were studying these concepts? What would
Uh,
you say to people starting off or completely new to AI?
yeah, it's completely based on the neural networks. I started to learn fundamentals to all of this.
Okay. So what did you look for? Like you had your DataMites materials, and
Yeah,
apart from that, was there anything else you were referring to?
I refer some YouTube channels, websites, and I learned this. And ChatGPT is more important to learn. Yeah,
Right. So you became good at asking questions to ChatGPT.
yeah,
Okay. So there is your start to Gen AI, isn't it?
yeah.
Once you pick up a little bit of yeah, that's one of the skills that you would be needing. So the idea of how to frame your questions there. Uh, Nevertheless, so we are looking at it's basically became an extension of mathematics. Is that why you joined data science? What made you come to this program?
I have math. I have no in the mathematics. Data science is related to um, fundamentals of mathematics. Is a base concept of data science. So I choose this field to enhance my skills, and I have interested to working in IT field. So I choose this field.
Okay, okay, great. All right, okay. And you already mentioned how Shali and Donna helped you a lot.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, and Pradeep sir also relationship manager.
okay, who was your relationship manager?
Pradeep.
Pradeep. Okay, wonderful, great. Okay, yeah. So, what about but this was a program which was offline or you were doing online?
Online. I have done online.
You had online. Okay. You
Yeah.
remember any of your trainers? Anyone you would like to
Uh, Jeevita ma'am,
Jivita? All right.
she is more inspired to me. And
Okay.
Ram sir, forgot something.
So Ram and Jivita. Okay, great. All right. Yeah. So, um, so looking at that as a journey when you are completing your phase two, which we typically have with all our the live delivery happening, right? When on the program that Jivita and Ram finished for you. So post that you had the internship with the projects, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Were you working in some team or you were doing them
I'm
solo?
working capstone projects with team, and I'm working live projects individually. I do that.
Okay, okay, all right, right. So what were the projects like? Were you able to relate to that based on what you had studied?
I work on the code capstone project related to the classification, regression, clustering, and I work for the live concepts like sales effectiveness, sales effective enhance the sales.
Enhancing the sales.
Yeah,
Okay, great, right. Yeah. So somewhere the domain matters a lot in these things, and you are also building on some of the key ideas with pre-processing and then moving towards model building, right?
yeah.
Okay. Any of the neural networks that you used, since that is something that you are.
No, no, it is new to me.
Okay.
I use ML concept only.
Oh, okay. All right. Great. Okay. So, but this was the kind of role you were looking for. Did you want something to do with Gen AI?
Uh, hello.
Yeah. I was saying, is that you were looking for a specific role with neural networks and Gen AI?
I did not know more about that, but I learned.
Okay. All right. So can you, I think while we get some questions coming in, can you talk to us about the placement journey? How was you probably had some mock interview?
Yeah, I attend mock interview. I clear it first time. After I attend the 3 to 4 interviews, after I get this opportunity to as a Roombr intern, AAM intern.
Okay. So there were 3 to 4 interviews, client interviews that you attended.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. So this was what was your key learning from these interviews? Did it help you to finally crack this last interview?
Yeah, I in this interview I learned more things. Both are all are asked about the machine learning basics and Python basics like
Okay.
that. After I make my mistakes, after I correct my mistakes to develop my skills and clear the interview.
Okay. All right. Was it like a single round or you had multiple rounds?
Uh, in Roomba,
Yeah.
single round.
Oh, okay. That's it. Okay. Fine. Okay. Great. And anything they made you do like for programming? Did they actually make you code there on the interview?
No, sir. She asked about projects have done, and after ask ML algorithms, especially the boosting, bagging, boosting. Like.
Okay. All right. Okay. Right. So 4 days in, you said, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So what is the team like?
good.
Good. You're enjoying with them?
Yeah, and in team, my friend also joined together.
Okay. Yeah, I was about to ask you. So you had like this is like you have a group of interns there, or you are one of the youngest. You must be one of the youngest.
Yeah, my friend, me and my friend joined together at DataMites and placed together in Roombr.
Okay. All right.
Yesterday, she was successful.
Very nice. Very nice. Wonderful. Nice to see that. Okay. Good to see friends do well as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Um, I'm not sure if we have some questions coming in. Not yet. Okay. Yeah. Those who are attending, you're free to post any queries that you have for Aruna. I think she's fresh from the whole experience. Okay. So if you would like to understand anything from this, in the meantime, so is this where you're looking for data science, Aruna? What was it that you were planning to? Were you planning to go for any further studies?
Uh, uh, First, I entered. I want to enter the data scientist. After I take intern, I will enter the AI field. I want enter the AI.
Into AI field. Okay. All right. So, okay. So that is, you might, okay. Then I think somewhere you may have courses being offered in AI itself, at which, yeah, this one of the DataMites itself has that AI expert program. But I think you also have some of the options for studying further, right? When you're going for a master's or something. Is that something you've given a thought?
Yeah. Okay.
You thought about a master's?
Hello. I can't. Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Now,
What?
have you thought about any master's program or something?
No, sir.
Not yet. Okay. Okay. Great. Right. Yeah. So somewhere was nice to have a bit of experience under the belt, and then you can you'll have a better you'll be in a better position to take a call, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Things are so that is something that you are you entered a very exciting field with Gen AI in particular, right?
Yeah.
Any ideas first up in your initial 1 week? Whatever you can share, whatever you want to share. What kind of projects are you will you be working on?
I am not at about that idea about Gen AI now itself. I am in a learning phase, so I can't know anything about Gen AI. It's new to me.
Okay, so now it's more of a training stage where they are allowing you to study, is it?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Um, there'll be a lot to go through. I think it's a little similar to when we are hiring interns as well. And yeah, they do get some time to you know do your bit of foundational work. So yeah, before you latch on to other things, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, great. So I think we have a first question coming in from Sohail. Did you ever use Python for web development? Scope of web development. I don't think Aruna is into that. Anyway, say which machine learning algorithm issues? What issues did you face with ML during your project?
ML, it's main I facing main issues in outliers, handling the outliers. After that's that that's all.
Mostly with processing of your data.
Outliers processing that.
Right. Okay. So you tend to find a lot of extremities. Okay. And you said you had a bit of you did a bit of forecasting as well, right? Did
Mm.
sales was that sales prediction?
I'm using ML classification concept used in sales project. It's improve the sales by using ML algorithms to improve the model. That's
Okay.
I'm not working in forecasting in this.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful. All right. Okay. Okay. Sheikh has a pretty long question there. I think you probably can see that as well. Okay. Many institutes promising for job assistance. All right. Totally confused. Previous and current experience will add more advantage. Getting into the data science career. All right. I think you seem to have some background here, Sheikh. So yeah. So basically, see, it would come down when you talk about transitioning and going into other projects. If you're carrying forward some experience, that's well and good. And that is it. It would boil down to how you project that across, right? And in any kind of an interview, and also to um, to talk about the transition itself. I think if you have once you get sufficient experience in the projects part, which is just part of what you'll find in this in the DataMites program as well. We talk about your internship where you're doing about 4 to 5 projects, right? I think as Aruna mentioned, you have one client project as well, and this is giving you some some grounding into what to expect, right? What to expect in at the industry level, because these projects are graded. You have some feedback coming through, and coming to any kind of a transition that happens, these things are very valuable. The projects are what tell the interviewers that you have reached a certain level, right, in terms of your knowledge. All right. So Manohar wants to know, Aruna, what question they asked you in the interview?
In interview, asked about projects, what you done in the previous internship, and after asked about the ML algorithms, especially boosting random forest.
Okay, so especially focus is more on the ensemble techniques, is it?
Ensemble techniques, yeah.
Okay, so I think that answers the question about the algorithm. So you're looking more towards random forest boosting, and yeah, little anything about neural networks. Did they expect you to?
I yeah, ask about about that concept. I have done. I know a little bit. So that's
Yeah.
all. I
I think probably from a data science program point of view, we introduce deep learning.
yeah.
Talk about a couple of models there, right? For including CNN for neural networks. So yeah, that gives you a fair idea on what to expect there, or if you are, interested in exploring further, right? So okay, Sarvesh wants to know what were the Python related questions?
Does not ask about Python related questions in Roombr. But other interviews ask about functions and basics list tuppers like that.
Okay,
That's all.
that's all. Okay, all right. Okay, I think that's about it. So nice, great catching up with you, Aruna. I never asked you. So you are at the moment. Are you in Bangalore or you are outside?
Yeah,
Which?
I am in Bangalore.
Okay, so you came here for the program or for the job, or you belong here to?
Yeah.
You're from Bangalore, it's it? Okay. Okay. All right. Great. Yeah, I think we are looking at, yeah, no further questions, and great to hear from you, Aruna. So it's a good head start you have got, and it's starting off. So yeah, all the very best for any future jumps you make and whatever you achieve in this role itself. Okay, so
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
congratulations again. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.